everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1964 Oldsmobile JetStar. Awesome car, guys. I actually bought this car at a show down in Florida, original Florida car. You can see this is the original color. This is Mist Jade metallic, which is a super dark green. It's got all the original factory dark green vinyl interior. Car's only got 51,000 original miles on it. Runs and drives excellent. It's actually got, now this isn't original, it's got a 455 cubic inch, 335 horse big block engine in it. Automatic trans. I put the wheels and tires on it. Also comes with the factory fender skirts and the original hubcaps and a set of tires. It comes with wheels and tires, so it comes with 2 sets of wheels, in other words. Great car. I've ordered, it's missing the O on the back there. I've ordered, actually I've got all the letters coming, so we'll make sure that that gets fixed. But great car, man. Beautiful paint. Love the color combination. Car runs and drives excellent. I wouldn't be afraid to get in this car, turn the key, and go wherever you want to go. Just a good car. Really a neat car. If you're looking for something different, something really fun to drive, I think you're going to have a blast with this car. Chrome, like I say, 51,000 original miles. You can see some touch-up marks, some little blemishes in the paint, but very nice. Look at this chrome and stainless on this car. Just a little smudge in the wax there, guys. Again, I've got the whole Oldsmobile script coming. Bumpers are nice on this car. This is a pretty car, man. This car really hits me good. I love the lines on it. Eddie put a gold pinstripe down the side. It's if you don't like it, it's removable. I liked it. I thought it just set the lines off on this car. And you want to talk about a car that just runs and drives excellent. See a little spine mark there in the paint. But nice. Very nice car, guys. Glass is nice. And man, does this car drive good. Yeah, this is something different. If you're looking for something cool, something that nobody's got, I think you're going to dig this car, man. Great body lines. I can't tell you I've really seen very many of these cars. There. Again, the O's on the way. A little chip there in the paint. Look how nice and flat that thing is down the sides. Brand new Toyo rubber all the way around the car. Again, brand new Ridler wheels. Those are 17s, and it comes with the original set of caps and wheels and everything. We had brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust put on it. This is an outstanding car, man. You want a pretty Olds, this is neat. Really cool car. The trim on the car is really nice. And again, when we get inside, it's got all the original interior. Yeah, now you said this is not original. 455 cubic inch engine, 335 horse, 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Does have power steering, power brakes, original automatic trans, and clean as can be. All the original body panels. I mean, I don't think the bottom of this car has actually ever been restored. Original Harrison radiator. I like the chrome valve covers on it. Not a whole lot to really pick on this car, man. It's just a nice turnkey, go have fun kind of car. This is the original paint in the jams. It's either Jade Mist or Miss Jade. I can't remember what it's called, but it's the original color combo. Got all the original owner's manuals. Matter of fact, I set those on the seat. That's original A-pillar chrome. Looks pretty darn good. Factory dual chrome mirrors. I'd say those door handles are original. They're very nice. Again, this is the original paint in the door jams. 51,000 original miles on this car.
Wow.
Original Texaco oil sticker still in the door jam. Bucket seats, console, which I thought was super cool. I'd be willing to bet most of these cars are bench seat with a column shift. Again, there's a few little marks in the seat. Man, I really dig this car. And man, you want to talk about a nice driver. This car drives outstanding. Factory tach in there. 51,170. Look how nice those gauges are. Now that's actually an FM converted radio. Looks original, but it's actually FM converted. Blower motor works, dash lights work. That tach works. Original Oldsmobile floor mats. Again, it's got dual exhaust on it. Factory rear end. Again, original paint still here in the jams. This is a cool car, man. Factory jack, spare, fender skirts. Look how clean that body is. Oh, it's got power rear trunk or power trunk release too in the glove box. Fit and finish is excellent. Like I say, the car is very original underneath. Rock solid floors. Sorry, a little dust, guys, but actually that's, like I say, that's the original paint there. Just a super cool car. Original owner's manuals. You see the little interior lights. The only thing that's working in there is the clock. Look how nice that dash is. Console's in great shape. We'll have Jordy fired up. This thing runs beautifully. This is a great car, man. Anybody who's looking for a nice driver, I think you're going to love this thing. Your console lights in there work, fuel gauge works, tach works. It's an awesome car, man. Outstanding car. Backup lights work. That's just a good car. So the console lights working, radio works. Nope, turn it. There you go. It works. I know it works. Oh, there it goes. Yikes. Blow your eardrums out. But the radio does work. Blower motor works. Oh, we got a bulb out. Middle bulb's out. We'll check that. A lot of times we just get in there and wiggle the connection. It works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. It changes really on a daily basis. You can also check out our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you can get a notification every time I update, post one of these videos. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.